Hi, this is Ms. Erig, and we're going to go over S-ID.B Summarize, Represent, and Interpret Data on two categorical and quantitative variables. So let's look at this first one. The table below represents the residuals of a line of best fit. So we have our x value and our residual. And remember that basically if we have up some points, okay, and we have some points that might be up here, down here, and we draw a line to kind of say like what's the best fit of all these points. The distance between the point and the line of best fit, that's called our residuals. In general, we want to have an equal amount of residuals above and below the x-axis. Okay. Also, they should be random, meaning there should be no pattern. Okay, so let's look at number 31. It says that 2 and 2, I'm going to go over 2, up 2, and all I'm doing is plotting the points for 31. 3, 1, 3, negative 1, 4, negative 2, 6, negative 3, 7, negative 2, 8, negative 1, 9, positive 2, 9, 0, and 10, 3. Okay. So it says, using the plot, assess the fit of the line for this residuals and justify your answer. Well, what we had already talked about is that residuals should not have any pattern. They should be randomly placed dots. But we can see right here the pattern that's going on. So we are going to say that this is a poor fit, okay, because the residuals form a pattern. Another reason why this could be a poor fit is if there were a lot of residuals that were positive or a lot of residuals that were negative. That would be another reason why it would be a poor fit. Okay? We're going to look at the next question for S-ID.B. And the next one comes from the January 2015 exam. Question number 26. Okay? I'm going to move it a little bit closer so you can see it. There we go. Our school newspaper surveyed the student body for an article about club membership. The table below shows the number of students in each grade level who belong to one or more clubs. If there are 180 students in 9th grade, what percentage of the 9th grade students belong to more than one club? Okay, so we know that 9th grade students, the total number is 180. Okay, so here's our 9th grade students. And it wants to know the percent that are in more than one club, which means that if they could be in 2 clubs, or they could be in 3 clubs, because that would be more than one. So the numbers we care about are 33 and 22, because that's where these intersect. Let me just show you with the highlighter. Here's our 9th grade. Here's our 2 clubs and our 3 clubs. And see how these cross here? That's where we get our 32 and 12. So first we need to figure out how many students were in more than one club. And all we're going to do is add our 33 plus 12, and we get 45 students. Now you probably remember that when we do fractions, we do part over whole. So there were 45 students in more than one club out of 180 students altogether. When we divide, we get 0.25. Now, our concern is that they want to make this into a percentage. So how do we do that? Well, all you do is you take your decimal and you multiply it by 100. So we would get 25%. So we could write our sentence, 25% of students in 9th grade are in more than one club. Okay, and that's it. All right, this concludes S-ID.B. Great job, everyone.